Welcome to day 0 of this 21-day Stronger Mindset journey. Before we start talking about resilience, confidence, and mental toughness, we need to talk about safety and realism. This program is not medical or psychological treatment. It does not replace a doctor, psychiatrist, psychologist, therapist, crisis team, or any qualified professional. It's a coaching style program to help you build stronger thinking, habits, and emotional resilience. If you are dealing with severe depression or anxiety, trauma, PTSD or complex trauma, bipolar disorder or psychosis, active addiction or withdrawal, eating disorders, self-harm, suicidal thoughts, or thoughts of harming others, then mindset work can help, but only alongside proper professional care. It is not a substitute. If at any point during this program you feel at risk of harming yourself or someone else, or your thoughts feel out of control or frightening, stop this audio and contact emergency services, your GP, crisis team, or a trusted professional immediately. Your safety becomes before any challenge or program streak. So quick self-check. Have I ever been under the care of mental health services? Am I currently on medication for mental health? Have I had recent thoughts of ending my life or hurting myself? Do I feel like I'm in an active crisis right now? If your honest answer worries you, your next step is bring this desire to build a stronger mindset to a professional and work it together rather than doing it solo. If it's safe for you to work with a coaching program right now, here's what these 21 days are about. A stronger mindset does not mean you never feel anxious. You never feel low. You are always positive. You tough it out and suffer in silence. A stronger mindset does mean you notice your thoughts instead of being ruled by them. You question your own unhelpful stories. You respond to difficulty instead of just reacting. You grow a kinder, steadier inner voice. For the next 21 days, you're going to show up daily, even if your mood is rough. Work with tiny, repeatable exercises. Treat yourself as a work in progress, not a project to be fixed. Grab a notebook or notes app and write today's date and this statement. This is the day I decided to build a stronger mindset in small, honest steps. Your only job before day 1 is think of one area of life where you most want a stronger mindset, like relationships, recovery, health, money, confidence, or dealing with stress. And when you're ready, begin day 1.